Good morning, everyone. I start my day usually by writing in my journal. Sometimes, if I have like a weird dream or something I want to write down, I don't always journal first thing in the morning. I sometimes do it also, like throughout the day or just in the evening. I write down like dreams I had or affirmations for the day, things I'm excited about, or I don't know, just my things and thoughts. I highly recommend doing that, writing 1 page a day at least. So then I sometimes meditate in the morning. It's not always in the morning, but most mornings I do. And I stretch a lot. I love stretching. It's my favorite thing to do, honestly. I look at the beautiful sky, and it's so beautiful. The sunrise every day is so beautiful, and it really motivates me to do yoga. I do yoga every single morning. I linked the video I did there below. It's one of my favorite yoga workouts. I really enjoy doing it. So then it's time for breakfast, and I realized I didn't show you that I drink a lot throughout the day. So I drink about 3 to 4 liters a day, it depends. But I love fresh fruit for breakfast, like persimmon or mango, or just I love persimmon so much. It's so delicious. You should try it. Start with fresh fruit, it's amazing. For snacks, I usually have dried fruit, but sometimes I have more fruit or sometimes I eat oatmeal. It varies. Then I want to show you what my dad bought and what my dad eats.
What the fuck? Platz. Zeig mal, was du gekauft hast. Ich würde sehen gerne, was du gekauft hast. Okay, nice. Machst du? Ich dachte, das heißt Merkur.
Yeah, we've been talking about Freddie Mercury. So then it's time for a smoothie. I love spinach and banana and cherries. And sometimes I sprinkle a little cinnamon in it. It's really delicious. Oh, and chia seeds and just some liquid.
Schon ab so viel.
Just love smoothies. They're so easy and delicious, and there's a million ways to make a smoothie. And I had these dates as a snack at my grandparents. And now it's already time for dinner. Wow. I am making a lentil curry, and I just chop a lot of vegetables, bell pepper, eggplant, broccoli, and I think that's it. No, celery. And I'm cooking lentils on the side. So then I'm adding the canned coconut milk, 2 of these, and then I add the lentils. And the purple color comes from the cabbage. And now, if you do this at home, it won't look pretty, I promise. It looks like sludge. It's not pretty, but it's so delicious. So here you can see I topped it with avocado and some sauerkraut. I love sauerkraut, oh my god. And just jasmine rice, one of my favorite kinds of rice. No, it is my favorite kind of rice. And here I'm eating it. Wow, delicious. Mmm. I'm reading the second Harry Potter book. I've read the second book, the first book, in the summer, in like 2 or 3 days, and then I started the second book, and I was like, oh, Dobby is so annoying. I don't want to read it anymore. Hi, sorry, my face is red because of the treatment, but that is alright. I'm just having a whole pineapple. I already ate, so doesn't look like it's much. But I'm having a whole pineapple, and I'm having persimmon. I love persimmons, they're my favorite fruit in winter. Okay, so I couldn't eat the whole pineapple because, I don't know, it's too sour for me. Hi, so I just decided to take a walk. You know, I'm just trying to breathe in the nature, but it's hard because of the Autobahn. That is what it looks like, all muddy. Then I had the same dinner. I had jasmine rice with the lentil curry and some avocado and some sprouts, and it's so delicious. And I sprinkled some coconut aminos on it. It's so delicious. Okay, Bye.